that cool, fat man?
He's practicing his swimming so he can get in.
Yeah! Go swimming, fat man! You wanna go swimming, fat man? Yeah, I guess so. You two are absolutely adorable. Whoa, they're still following me. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ah! Hey, fat man. Are you ready? Are you ready to shoot some arrows? I think he's ready, Mama.
Oh yeah.
It's time. What do you see?
On the table.
Oh. Kinda neat. What?
He thinks it's really neat.
Touch it, Josh. Boop. Boop. I booped the balloons.
It's like, this isn't nature. No big deal. Get it. Okay, fine. Down.
Think I should go down there, honey? Don't fall now, right? Oh. Look, I love you both. Goodbye, Mama. Bye, baby. I love you. I love you too, Daddy.
He says don't fall in.
I'll try not to. I know, it's moving good, huh? What are you guys doing up there? Ooh. I'm not in the water. Help! It's a steep hill. Fat man, help Daddy, please. No, don't grab onto Mama's hands. Grab Daddy's, please. I don't know how much longer I can last. Baby, please.
Get him.
Pull me up. Thank you, baby. Mama, what are you doing?
I don't want Russ to get in his eyes.
Fat man, bugs, run!
If a tree falls in the forest and no one's there to hear it, did it fall?
Yep.
Having fun. I wonder if there's a four-leaf clover down there.
Four-leaf clover where?
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh, there's more over here.
Hi, baby. I love you.
Here to sniff the flowers.
Does it smell good, baby? Yeah.
It smells like a flower. Get out of here, you bug. Don't attack my son like that.
To be honest with you, you're telling the bug to get out of here. I just hope we can get out of here. We're lost.
You said you weren't going to get us lost.
I forgot my compass. I apologize.
Your compass? Do you even know how to read a compass?
No. Honey, are you scared?
If this isn't the way out, I already told Josh you're gonna get beat up. When you're
Well, you, oh, whoa!
we have to go to the ER. I'm beating you up.
Ah! Honey, I think we're almost to freedom. It's right over there.
You better hope so.
Hurry, you guys, hurry. We're almost there. We're almost there. Run, run, run. Freedom, freedom. Yes, we made it. We made it. We made it, honey. Ah, look. That's sweet, sweet sunlight. Whoa!
Look, it's a hopscotch. Oh my goodness, this is spin. Walk. Deep breath. Jump like a frog. Baby, you ready? Boom. 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 Finish.
Woo!
Kids are getting creative.
You did it, baby!
Yay!
I just have something to say to you two.
What?
You both are absolutely adorable.
I'll do you one better.
What?
Hope you enjoyed the video.